The TGV Euro Duplex comes as a brand new version in half-O for both Märklin and Trix. The train is rendered in an exact scale of 1:87. The French state railroad SNCF has been operating the TGV Duplex in large numbers, many of which are licensed to operate in Germany and Switzerland, and are used to haul passengers from Munich to Paris. For this purpose they were equipped with the appropriate signal technology and pantographs. As a model version, the train consists of several sets. The four-part basic ensemble includes the two power units T1 and T2, as well as two transition cars. Both power units house a high-performance motor powering 4 axles, each via Cardan shafts. All cars contain factory-installed interior furnishing and lighting. The pantographs come in 2 different versions with a contact strip for the German railroad network and for the SNCF respectively. The digital decoder controls numerous sound functions, triple headlights and red marker lights that change over with the direction of travel. This basic set can be extended by 3 additional sets in order to create a realistic 10-part train set. 2 transition cars are permanently coupled together. An elaborate guide mechanism in the Jacob trucks creates a beautiful flush silhouette. The TGV Duplex is sure to take any Era 6 layout by storm.